After adding your inspection schedule date, click on OK and upload your status change to the cloud by clicking the button on the left-hand top corner. Now we've been informed that you have contacted the insured and we know when it was done. We also know that there's an inspection scheduled with the insured. We know when you scheduled the inspection and for when it's done. So this put us now in a perfect position to give feedback to the insurance company on what's happening with this claim. Next, the actual inspection will take place. So this is scheduled for tomorrow. Normally, we will now go out of the claim, close it down, and release ownership. The estimator going out the next day, who is going to perform this inspection, will have to acquire ownership again to be able to work on the claim. To be able to add line items to your estimate, you need to go to your diagram, and currently you will see a general box that was created by Digicall to assign the claim to you. You will see on this side the diagram is in the name of Digicall Assessing Solutions, which means this diagram belongs to Digicall. You will have to create your own diagram to add items to it. Open your estimate line items, select an item from the list. Let's go for a Centurion D5 Evo. If you click and drag and drop the item in the box, you will get a notification to say that you are not the owner and you have the option to acquire ownership or make a copy. In this case, you will always say make a copy. Once that's done and you go back to your estimates and diagrams, you will now see a second diagram, but this time the diagram has got your name in brackets. This means this is your diagram. You can add items to that to create the estimate. Opening our pricing database again, you can now go and select from any one of these categories. Click, select, drag and drop into your box. You can also rename the name of the box or label of the box. To whatever scope of work you are attending to. You can add several scopes to the list. For example, alarm, irrigation, and how many boxes you need for the different scopes of work that you need to attend to. So this is where we're going to categorize our estimate that is going to be presented to the insurance company. You will now add your required line items to the different boxes to create your estimate. And as you can see, I'm only adding stuff as an example.